Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find and replace text in WPS Office. If you would like to do it, first you need to open Home tab, and after that you need to click on this one option, Find and Replace. Then you will see here three options: Find, Replace or Go To. I recommend you to select here Replace option. Alternatively, you can use shortcut from your keyboard Ctrl-H to do it. So I click somewhere here. And now you need to type here the word or the sentence that you want to find. So for example, I type here football, and I would like to change this word to another one. So I would like to delete football and insert there maybe word like replaced. Then you can click find next to find football in our text. So we can find here football, we can find here football, we can find maybe there football. So there are multiple football words which will be replaced. So now if you would like to replace all football words with a replaced word, you need to click on the Replace All button. So I click on it, and how you see we have here this one information, all done, WPS Docs made 5 replacements. We need to click OK button, and we need to close this window. How you see text has been replaced here, 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 and how you see it has been replaced here, and maybe one more time here. Okay, so how you see it really works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.